This is your first time to come to Taiwan.
Yes.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
Yeah.
I feel great. I think everybody here is so kind and so helpful. Anything that I need or wanted is taken care of, and physically I feel great, and practices have been going well.
Because you are very famous in Italy, and you also will join the Tokyo Olympic Games.
I hope.
Yeah.
They won't announce our roster until very late, so nobody knows if they're on the final team or not.
Yeah.
But I hope I'm on the final team, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to prepare and give myself the best shot to play in the Olympic Games.
How do you adjustment when you in the current time?
Parenting?
Yeah.
You mean my children?
Yeah.
They're pretty good at this. You know, they're used to mommy playing, and they're used to me coaching, and so 4 months is going to be a long time before I get to go to the Olympics, hopefully. But they're cheering for me, and they know how hard I've worked for this, and if I don't make the Olympic Games, they know that it's still okay to work hard, and it's still okay to strive and reach for things. And I think that's the example that I want to set for them.
Yeah. As a mother, how do you balance your professional basketball career and your family life?
I think that they kind of merge together. So my kids have grown up in the softball fields and the batting cages, and our whole family, including my husband, are very athletic. So my kids play baseball, they play softball, they swim, they run. All of our life is trying to foster that level of not athleticism, but just activity. And so they're kind of used to mommy and daddy are going to go work out, or mommy needs to go have a bullpen. I think balance is a funny word. I think it's more of like a fusion. So they're not like one side and one side. They're definitely together.
We know you are a very experienced player. So this team got a lot of young players. How do you try to help them?
You know, I'm used to coaching that level and that age. Back in the United States, I do a lot of coaching. And so I think I'm just used to working with kids that age anyway. I don't want to say kids, they're not kids. You know, they're over 18, so they're young women. But I get it. I know what they're going through. I know exactly the stage of life that they're in. And this team is so eager to play and to learn. You know, I had some teammates yesterday that got up with me and lifted. Like I wanted to go and work out because I missed one of my lifting workouts just because it was the first week of practice and I'm trying to settle in. And they got up and they lifted with me on a Sunday, and they didn't have to, you know, but that eagerness I think is something that's going to take them far, and that's really refreshing to see too.
Last but not least, do you something worth to tell your fans to support this team?
What's that?
Your fans.
My fans.
Something, some words to your fans.
Some words to my fans.
And your family.
I think I just want everybody to know that this experience so far has already outpaced my expectations, and I knew that I have only been to Japan. You know, there's no other Asian country that I've been to, but it's always been kind of one of those things that I've wanted to do. And so when this opportunity came about, I was like, this has to happen. This absolutely has to happen. And I think it's already exceeded my expectations. And this is a really high level of play, and the people here are fantastic. I would encourage anybody that wanted or was thinking about this to come over here and play.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yes.